The emotional days, drained and strained inside. I've been trying to get some things done, and people around me, associates, etc., or non-associates, are everybody wants to do it their way. Everybody wants to keep a secret, keep a secret. So I've been really stressed out. I'm trying to get my hard drive to work. I just got this the C hard drive. The C hard drive. I don't even know if I can get it out. Let me unplug it. And I can't seem to get the YouTube downloader to do what I need it to do or work the way it is. And the people I've been asking, all they do is scream, how come you don't know? You do so much. You seem to know so much. Nobody understands your work. And I'm saying, listen, my work is not always to be understood by everybody. Right now, I'm putting pieces and parts together of revelations, communicated as revelations or actualities that are true. And I'm just not sure where they fit into creation. Obviously, for the people who have never seen me before, what I do is I take situations. It could be games people play as a Monopoly. It could be the Bible, Torah. It could be the way the clouds move, the way the planets go around the sun, the zodiac. It could be the colors that are mixed, the combinations in pool, what you dice in Monopoly, what you need to get around the board. And I can give you examples, and that's what I do. I give you examples of what's going on in these games, okay, associated with the reality of what the basis is. We shall live forever, heaven and hell, on this earth or off this earth, inside our zodiac sign, and everything to do with that. Why are we nervous? Why are we like this? Why do we have compassion? So all these are numerologically calculated. And what I basically do is I take the basic. I take, um, let's see, I'll take numbers, okay, in the alphabet, and I'll use A as 1 and Z as 26, or I'll use A as 11 and Z as 37, as 36. Is that what it is? 11 plus 26, 1. Yes, it'll be 36. And so on. I'll use games people play as um, as blackjack or roulette and craps and all these numbers. They all have numbers associated with words because words have letters, and every letter in numbers, Pythagorean, Chaldean, compared to the piano order and how the piano keeps starting off every 7 you start at A again, which is 1, but it's not the first key. So in this first example, and it's going to be a short example, is what happens between 1 and 36. Okay, where does rotation continuous? On 1, 2, 3, it becomes 1 plus 2 equals 3, plus 3 equals 6, plus 4 equals 10. So the first three associations is 3, 6, 1. Moses had 613 laws, 365, 148, and these are the associations. Okay, 3, 6, and 1 equals 10 equals 1, and 248, if I get that correct. 2, 4, and 8 equals to 15 equals to 5. 1 and 5 is the association, and the vibration on Earth is 2, 3, and 4, and that runs in between 1 and 5. Now, the reverse in a 10-10 world where 1 gets 9 and 5. Okay, where 1 and 9 equals to 10, and 5 and 5 equals to 10. So now we have 5 and 9, and it's crazy how 5 and 9 are the letters E and I, and repeated, it's EI, EIO, and connects to Neptune, and connects to Einstein, and connects to the DC world, 595. So here we're going to go with the numerological exactos. Adding them all up, we'd get 15, 1 and 5 is 6. 21, the 1 to 6 cube equals 3. So on the cube, our continuous numerological calculation is 361, 631, 991, 361, 631, 991, 3631, 991, 3, 11, and 4 is 15 equals 2. Did I do this right? Just give me a second to turn it around and see that I didn't make a mistake. Okay, no, I didn't. So the calculation to where am I over here? In fact, I can't see through the paper because of the light. 3199. 435 equals to 812 equals to 3. 465 equals to 61, 631, 63199. So where does it start to continue? It's over here. After the first 9 numbers, everything is repeat. 361, 63199. 136, 63199, and it continues. So this is one variation. Now every time you hit a 1, you automatically add 6 and it becomes the 7th gate. And the reason for that is it's just like taking one step. The minute you take one step forward, you are halfway between one side and the other, and your body automatically turns a little bit sideways. You are in an in-between and in a different world. You are in a different world, and I cannot explain this because I don't know. So that is going to be my first video variation of understanding the basic numbers. The other thing is that when you add all the way up to 12, you equal 78. 78, okay, the 12th card in the deck is the queen, okay, and her number is 62. Spelling this queen is 62. 38 for Q and U, okay, and 24. 24, the day of man, EEN. It's funny that the word 12 equals to 87, and the separation of the Canadian penny is 7 and 8, where 7 goes to 5 and 8 goes to 1. 5 and 1 again. So this is how we get this situation. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. One of my next videos will be the days to go around the sun for each of these planets, and then we're going to bounce them off of each other and use the numerological value where Pluto is the 9th planet, Mercury is the 1st, as well as Pluto is the 1st planet, Mercury is the 9th, as well as Jupiter is the 1st planet, Mercury is the 5th, and Pluto is the 5th. Where Jupiter is the 9th planet, where Mercury is the 5th, and Pluto is the 5th. We're using in-betweens, up and down, and everything to understand how we can balance these numbers. That's what I do. I balance the numbers. What's going to happen in the future? Right now, it's like building and understanding molecules and genes and etc., etc. Raphael 7286 and a constellation of Pegasus. Welcome to the new world.